Hi, I'm Dennis Jones, Sales Manager. I want to be the first to welcome you to Star Mountain Ranch. Hop on in, let's take a ride. We'll show you how pretty this ranch really is. Star Mountain Ranch has a phenomenal mix of property. I mean, we've got open pastures, we've got heavily wooded with a real nice mix of hardwoods and evergreens. And it's called Star Mountain Ranch for a reason. We actually have the highest point in the county here, which is Star Mountain. And until now, it's been privately owned and nobody had access to it. Now you can live on top of that mountain and enjoy that view all the time. People ask me all the time, what kind of people are buying at Star Mountain Ranch? And it's really people just like you. And most of the time, people want one thing, privacy. They're tired of living in the city with neighbors right on top of them. They want to be somewhere where it's quiet and peaceful. Just imagine this as your backyard and sitting out on your porch looking at this every day. It's a lot different than living in the city. So just picture yourself living in the middle of that and raising your kids there. It's a great way of life. Star Mountain Ranch is kind of the best of both worlds. You've got the city conveniences, paved roads, high-speed internet, and city water. Most of the time when you get into an acreage community, you're going to be drilling a water well. Not out here at Star Mountain Ranch. That's supplied for you. So you've got all the conveniences of the city, but you've got the privacy and the space of the country. One of the great points of Star Mountain Ranch is our location. We're literally 5 minutes away from the new medical center in Tyler. Longview's right up the road, another 15 minutes, and we are equidistant between 3 of the major fishing lakes in Texas: Lake Fork, Lake of the Pines, and Lake Palestine. For folks that want to get out and explore the surrounding area, there are 3 different nature preserves in the area, so you need to go check them out. You know, we've been in this business a long time, and we're pretty good at what we do, and what we do is make you feel at home. If you come out and see one of our sales representatives, you're going to jump in the truck, you're going to drive around, you're going to see some beautiful country. That's it. Won't be any high pressure, nobody's going to be twisting your arm. They're going to show you something that you love, and if it works for you, then we'll let you call that home. And if it doesn't, you looked at some pretty property and you made a new friend. Give us a call today at 877-333-9414. We can't wait to welcome you home to Star Mountain Ranch.